Hey TikTokers, welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble finding the repost option on TikTok, don't worry, you're not alone. In this updated 2024 guide, I'll walk you through step by step on how to fix the repost option not showing. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure your TikTok app is up to date. An outdated app might be the reason you're missing the repost option. Open your App Store or Google Play Store. Then search for TikTok. If there is an update available, you'll see an update button. Tap on it to update your app. Once your app is updated, open TikTok and check if the repost option is available. If it's still not showing, let's move to the next step. Step 2 is to clear the cache of the app. Sometimes clearing the cache can resolve various issues within the app. Here's how you do it. Go to TikTok. Then go to your profile, then tap on 3 horizontal lines. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Free Up Space. Here you can see the cache. Tap on the Clear button. If you're still having trouble, let's move on to the next step. Check your account settings. The repost feature might be disabled or not available in certain account types. Go to your TikTok profile, tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then go to Privacy. Ensure that all settings related to interaction and sharings are enabled. After adjusting your settings, restart the app and see if the repost option appears. If none of these steps work, try reinstalling TikTok. Uninstalling and then reinstalling the app can sometimes fix persistent issues. Hopefully by now you've got your repost option back. If you're still facing issue, it might be worth reaching out to TikTok support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.